Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious iced peach tea from scratch. First, select ripe, juicy peaches for the best natural sweetness. Next, choose your favorite black or green tea bags. Finally, gather essential ingredients like sugar, water, and plenty of ice. This simple guide will help you create a refreshing beverage perfect for any occasion. Now, let's create that wonderful peach syrup. Start by slicing 2 to 3 ripe peaches into small pieces. Combine these with 1 cup of water and 1/2 cup of sugar in a saucepan. Gently simmer the mixture for about 10 minutes or until the peaches are soft. Then, strain it to get a smooth, flavorful syrup, discarding the solids. With your peach syrup ready, it's time to brew the tea. Place 4 tea bags into a heatproof pitcher and add 4 cups of hot water. Let it steep for 3 to 5 minutes, depending on how strong you like your tea. Once brewed, remove the tea bags and allow the tea to cool completely. Then, stir in your homemade peach syrup. Finally, let's assemble your refreshing iced peach tea. Fill your favorite glasses generously with ice cubes. Pour the delicious peach tea over the ice, leaving a little room at the top. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh peach slices or a sprig of mint. Don't forget to check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly chilled, homemade beverage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.